Hello hoteliers, welcome to another episode of the Checking series. My name is Nizam and I'm the search marketing manager here at Leonardo. Me and my team, we plan and execute SEO strategy for hundreds of hotel websites. And it is very important for us to stay up to date with the changes in SEO world at the same time in the travel industry. So as part of the continuous research and development and to stay up to date, we attend lots of conferences and training sessions throughout the year. Last month, I have attended one of the largest SEO conferences in North America called SMX. I met people from different industry as well as from the travel industry, and I had a chance to talk to people who actually work at Google and Bing. From the discussion that I had with them and also the session that I've attended, so I have summarized 5 key takeaways for hotel industry specifically. You should implement those strategies if you want to stay ahead of your competitors in 2019. So one of the most discussed topic was the voice search. We are embracing technology nowadays for a lot faster than we used to do before. We nowadays talk to devices like Alexa, Google Home, and mobile devices. We have Siri and also Google Assistant. And according to Google, voice search has increased by 35 times if you compare between 2008 and 2018. Most digital marketers believe that by 2020, 50% of searches will be done by voice search, which is why it is very essential that you employ voice search as part of your digital strategy. Marco Linucci from Google mentioned in his keynote that Google understands dynamic queries. What I mean by that is when people ask, hey Google, where can I eat today? They understand that they're looking for a restaurant. If you search for places to stay, they will know you're looking for a hotel. And then if you search for, do I need an umbrella? They will know that you're looking for weather, and you don't have to say like, tell me the weather. So how do you go about voice search? You can start with FAQ page. Combine all the frequent questions that you get from your guest and then create a page. So for example, your check-in time, your check-out time, whether you have a free breakfast, whether you offer free shuttle. Create a page and optimize that for SEO, which will help you to go into voice search. Also optimize your local attraction. So if your hotel is located to Miami Executive Airport, you might want to optimize your page for like hotel near Miami Executive Airport, so that when people ask all those devices, your hotel website shows up. And most importantly, speed is very essential for voice search. So you have to make sure that your website load faster on mobile and as well as desktop devices to be able to go into voice search. The second strategy that I have for you is having a mobile-friendly website. Now, you might already have a mobile-friendly website, but make sure that the content you have on your mobile website matches the content that you have on your desktop website. Of course, the look and feel and the layout will be different, but try to make sure that you have at least the content, like the text and the images, available on your mobile devices, which you are showing on your desktop devices. And once again, loading speed was one of the most discussed topic as well. So make sure that your website loads first on mobile devices as well, because they don't have high-speed internet. Wi-Fi usually have like high-speed internet, so make sure you do that. And then most hotel websites I've seen that they actually have pop-ups with their deals, packages, and you want to capture that, show that to your visitor when they come to your website. But Google don't like it, so make sure that you don't do it. There are websites which we have seen that they actually got affected by just having pop-ups. Their ranking dropped, their organic traffic dropped. So make sure that you stay away from pop-ups, which will help you rank higher. The third strategy I have for you is the content. We all know that content is king when it comes to SEO, so you have to make sure that you provide the quality content and your content actually provide a unique value to your visitor, and presentation is one of the key when it comes to content as well. If you have a chunk of text, a paragraph in your website, it might not look better. At the same time, it is really difficult to read through all this text to find out the information that you're looking for. So use images, use at least bullet points to kind of divide your content, or hit the subheading to divide your content, so that it is very easy to find out the information from your web pages. Then the next one that I have is the external reviews. So for hotel industry, external reviews are very important. People can actually go to TrustYous, TripAdvisor, and other websites like this to leave reviews about your hotel. Now, how does that help you ranking? So if you have a positive reviews, that will send a positive signal to Google. Specifically after release of each algorithm, trustworthiness and authoritativeness is really important for Google, which is why you have to make sure that you provide an excellent customer service so that people leave positive reviews, which will help you rank higher and get better visibility online as well. And lastly, the local search. So if you're already optimizing your website and your social profile to be ranked in Google local search, for example, when some people search for hotel near me or hotel near Miami Zoo, you're ranking for it, you could employ these two strategies for 2019, which will help you rank even higher. So Google Post, which you will be able to post through Google My Business. If you have access to your Google My Business profile, you can go there and create posts, which is very similar to Facebook post, to be honest. So what are the things that you can post? You can post about your deals, your events, your amenities, or the services that you offer, for example, shuttle services or free breakfast that you have. So make sure that you post any link back to your website, which will help you at least boost your local ranking. One thing to note that Google Post only lasts for 7 days, so you have to keep going to Google Post and then post more every week. Then also answer Q&A. So if you go to your Google My Business profile, you will see that people are asking questions. For example, your checking time, checkout time, whether you offer pre-breakfast or not. Make sure that you answer those questions. Try to be descriptive. Don't just answer yes or no. And if you don't have any question in your Google My Business profile, you can always go back and then add your question and answer to those questions as well. So we talked about creating an FAQ page on your website. You can actually take this information, go back to your Google My Business, and then add those questions and answer to those questions in Google My Business, which will help you rank higher. So to summarize, if you want to stay ahead of your competitors, make sure you take these strategies and implement as part of your digital marketing strategy. And if you have any questions or you want to know more about the services that we offer, feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for the next episode of the Checking series. Till then, take care.